We here at Stage 3 have tried out more than a few F-150 EcoBoost catback kits on our very own project trucks, and we thought we'd show off some of our favorites. We broke down these kits into mild, moderate, and aggressive types. We've had so many installed over the years that it was hard to pick just one. First, our favorite mild kits. These kits offer low levels of drone but still add enough volume and tone to make a difference over the factory catback system. Our two favorite mild systems are the Borla Touring and the Magnaflow single exit catback kits. Next is our favorite moderate systems. These kits feature a much more noticeable sound volume and change in tone over stock, but still stay fairly tame when it comes to drone and cab noise. Our two favorite moderate systems were the MBRP 3-inch single exit kit and the Solo Mach X dual side exit kits. Finally, our favorite aggressive kits. These kits are built solely to be loud, proud, and get noticed and aren't concerned about drone or cabin noise. Our two favorite aggressive catback kits are the MBRP pre-tire exit kit and the MBRP 4-inch single exit system. You can find all of these catpacks over at stage3motorsports.com, along with a bunch of others that get your truck the sound you need. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, or check us out on Facebook.